coming, got it coming, got it going, got it going, got it going, got it coming, lift it up, give it up, that bounce, move, fuck, nigga, watch you, my nigga, no good, ain't nothing but so good.
I just wanna know who leaves this much? Who? That's just disrespectful. Like, what is this, a sale? My family, yo. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yana, and if you're new here, subscribe. If you're not, hey y'all, how y'all doing? Anyways, this video is gonna be on a updated chuck and twist out routine. I do a couple of things differently, like just a smidget, but my hair done grew out and my twist outs be looking all bomb and stuff, so I mean, hey. Okay, but the products we're gonna be using today is from the Mielle Organics, the pomegranate and honey line. I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna use the twisting souffle. And I did like this combo like on my hair like recently, and y'all, your hair gonna last. Let's go. Okay, so I just washed my hair with, what did I wash my hair with? Y'all know what the freak you washed your hair with? Anyways, the point is I co-wash my hair. But like I was saying, all I did was co-wash my hair with the Aussie conditioner, and yeah, and I rinsed it out, and yeah, that was my hair with no product in it. So yeah, that's all I did. This leave-in conditioner, I've been using it lately for like certain stuff, and this is really like moisturizing, like for real. I'm about to show y'all the consistency in a minute. Like it's really creamy too. But anywho, and a key to applying products to your hair, you gotta make sure it's like worked in. So what I do with my hair is I wet it as I freaking go.
Bye.
Conditioner, man, that thing right there. Okay, so before I even get started, I'm gonna go ahead and part the front of my hair. I'm doing a middle part with 2 flat twists on the side, cause I think I'm gonna wear it in twist for like a day. No, like 2 days. I don't know. I figured it out. Yeah. I hate parting. Hate it. Hate it. Don't make no freaking sense. Okay, but I'm about to section the hair off. I think I'm gonna split it into 3. Let me see. Did I do 4 last time? Can't remember. Okay, so we're gonna do 3. I think each section I'm gonna do 3. So I'm gonna come back when I get to the front so I can show y'all how I do. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with the bag, you know, got the 6 twists, you know, get your math up. Let me shut up. I'm about to make this cleaner because I'm really trying to get clean parts for the one time, because did I just make that cricket? Like, I hate parting, you know. Is it clean enough? That's all that matters. So I'm gonna do this side first because it's easier. This side I struggle with, so I'm about to do that off camera, but I'm about to show y'all how I flat twist the front. Grab some of that souffle. Put that in, put that in, put that in. Then we gonna grab some gel. No, edge control. I I should put gel though. No, I'll put edge control because I don't have time for it to be caking up on my hair. I'm just grabbing some edge control. I don't really like this edge control no more, so I'm not about to even put it in the camera. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Be right back. Okay. No. What is going on? Oh, no, ma'am. Okay. I think we good. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Let's see. I'm about to have a fit. I'm about to grab another edge control because it's about to piss me off. Is it? Are you about to piss me off? Okay, so we actually about to use this Gorilla Knot because I know this thing gonna hold and I'm gonna get that sleek, but okay. But y'all, let me just go ahead and say I'm not a pro at this. I just know that you grab and go. I just do what I gotta do. No, that's how you do. Okay, so yeah, this is the best it's gonna get on this side. I'm not that good, but I guess I can do a little something. But yeah, now what I did for this side, I'm gonna do on that side. I'll come right back. Okay, so boom. Of course, this side looks better than that side, but yeah, they sisters, not cousins, so that's good. Okay, so now we go into the twisting. Okay, so of course, grab a section, then split. Make sure it's equal enough. Thumb and rake it through. Then I do a rat tail comb. Then I just comb it through. And if you need more product at the end, you can add as much. When it comes to these corners, instead of twisting my normal twist, I did the opposite way so it can lay down at the root. Some people don't really be catching that, but they need to start. So normally I'll wear these for like at least a day or something. Let me get y'all 360. Do y'all see how moisturized my twists are though? Like these products, like what? Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna come back tomorrow for the takedown. Okay, hey y'all. I don't even know what day this is. I think it's day 4. Yeah. Did my hair Monday. Today's Thursday. So yeah, you can clearly see I just unraveled the twist. I've been like working my hair like this because I be wanting it to get like a little puffy so I can have a little bit of volume. I actually used a blow dryer. I'm not putting a lot of heat on it at all. I'm just trying to stretch it out a little bit more because why not? Okay, so here's my hair after a couple of days. You can see they're kind of puffy, but they still defined like crazy. This definition, y'all, go stupid. It goes stupid. Okay, so I'm about to blow dry my hair a little bit, and I'll be right back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Where is my clip? It's not in here. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Every time I shoot or try to do a video, I can't find everything. What? I cannot find anything. So since I can't find it in the clip, I'm just about to, like, this is crazy. Oh, I don't really be putting oil in my hair because I be feeling my hair be feeling greasy. So yeah, and the products I really be using for like these twist outs, they really be moisturizing my hair and it really don't be needing it. So do you see how easy this? What I say? Did I say bomb? Did I say bomb twist out? I think I did. But okay. And like, y'all, should I stop? Like, I want to low-key do a different hairstyle because like it's time for something new, you know. Y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for supporting me. And don't forget, y'all stay beautiful.